Hi, I'm Nellie Miriam, and I'm the Closet Quilter. Happy Sunday! Yeah, well, here's my Happy Sunday talk for you. A really neat trick, how to clean your flathead iron. Do you have all that sticky stuff on it? You know, some of us do applique, and the starch gets burnt on there. Well, I have a great trick. You take your toothpaste, any toothpaste you have, and you smear it on there where it's all gooky, where you want it to be taken off. Liberally, a lot. Just put it in there, gooey, whatever. Then you sprinkle baking soda. Go to your kitchen and get some baking soda. Sprinkle that on, as much as you want. Scrub it with your fingers a little. Then take a paper towel. Oh, add a little water if it's too thick. That's what I did. I added a little water, few drops of water. And then I smeared it and I scrubbed a little. And then after scrubbing it, I wiped it down with a paper towel. Look at this. Just like brand new. No problem. It's a great trick. And I hope you enjoy this. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and give me any good comments you have, any tricks you may have. I'd like to hear. I have a lot of tips and tricks I like to learn. So, thanks for watching and happy Sunday.